What's your sense? What's your sense in terms of what we still have to go through?
It's changes every week, and I've spoken to a number of other fund managers and investors locally and around the world actually, and tried to get a sense of what they're thinking. And the sentiment, I think, can change really quickly. I think that's the biggest risk at the moment. I think there's been some optimism around what's happening with the number of cases in Europe and even in New Zealand. Across Australia and New Zealand, things are looking really positive for us as a country and in beating this virus, which will be a big turning point for New Zealand's economy, and everything. All the decisions that have been made today have been, aggressive but really well thought through and are going to deliver great results. Whether that means from an investing perspective the markets have bottomed out, potentially, but it is still hard to say, and it wouldn't take much for something globally to happen, like another wave of the virus to occur, or things not go as planned in US, then things could be thrown off track a bit again. And so people need to think again about long term and whether they need that money in the short term. The other big thing I think people need to think about is just because we're going into a recession, say, if global markets go into recessions, that doesn't mean that during a recession, which is where the economy is shrinking and growth is shrinking, that the market is falling. The market can still go up and often does go up during recessions because it's already priced in and assumed what is going to be happening to these companies, and it's already factored into the impact that all these companies are going to experience in the year ahead. So